Hi guys, welcome back to Makeup Skin. So this look is a Glam Chola look dedicated to the only two cholas on YouTube, Miss V Marie and Chunky But Funky. V, thank you so much for requesting this look. It was an absolute pleasure to create. This look is super simple, super easy. Let me show you how to create it. For modern chola brows, you need to carve out the shape and outline so that they look sleek and the rest of the look is perfect. Looks odd now, but I promise you it'll all be worth it. Get your favourite brow product, keep it light, keep it simple, and carve out the natural shape of your brow. When you're happy with the shape and the definition, blend away the concealer so that you can get a balanced effect for the next part. Cover up any pigmentation before foundation. Take your favourite flawless foundation of the moment. Blending with your fingers first gives you a really even finish for the final look of your foundation and looks even more flawless. Using your favourite buffing brush, blend away. Starting with cream contour is always best because you can always set it afterwards. To get a fierce contour line, just use a piece of card to get that edge. Don't worry about harsh lines, we're going to blend absolutely everywhere. Using a nude lip colour to start off with provides balance and helps the look evolve. We're going to be using a dark lip, but for now it'll help you with the eye look. The biggest tip I can give you in relation to your eyeshadow and transition shade is use your bronzer that you're currently using. It's going to allow a gradient effect. It's going to make your eyeshadow look like a cloud and a puff of air on the eyelid rather than very harsh contoured eyelids. Nobody wants to look underblended. Now start building with a deeper brown shade to create that contour on the eyelid. Try not to blend too much dark colour into the inner corner, keep that space free. Keep a clean blending brush to hand, you don't know when you're going to need to check the balance and correct any mistakes. Now for the dark brown shade, get it concentrated into the outer corner and blend, blend, blend. Stop and check from time to time how each eye is looking so that balance can be created along the way rather than correcting at the end. Now take a nude eyeshadow that suits your skin tone, apply it all over the lid, in the middle section and inner corner of the eye. This will allow your eye look to look more soft glam and also make your eyes appear larger. Blend with your fingers if you have to, you want this to look soft as possible. Blend away the concealer, which should have set semi-matte now, and you can really get some balance going. Also, make sure you're checking this is what it should look like. Contour is so important for a glam or chola look. You really want to define your cheeks. Don't worry, the cream will have settled by now. It's time to set it with another bronzer. The trick with eyeliner is to take your time and practice. I didn't learn this straight away, it took me a really long time to master. With a chola look, you want it long, thick, and the wing to just go on for days. Stopping and looking at what you're doing is so important. How many times have you had odd eyes? I can't tell you how many times one side is perfect and the other is totally ruined. I've had many I'm not wearing eyeliner days. Having said that, it's all about practice, taking your time step by step, inching forward to the corner, making sure you go to the edge and definitely to the lash line. This is what it should look like, obviously depending on the size of your eye, thinner, thicker, no problem. Curl your lashes and apply lashings of your favourite mascara, lashes next. Taking your favourite bronzer, use that to diffuse the edges of the previous contour so that everything is seamless. Now for my favourite bit, take a dark brown lip liner and outline the edges of your lips, creating beautiful definition and a gorgeous pout. Soften the edges with your fingers so that you get a gradient effect, because we will be using my new favourite Huda Beauty El Cinco de Mayo shade. I wanted to post this video yesterday, I'm so sorry guys. This is a shout out to you, VEE Marie and Chunky But Funky. Look at this red. Take your time blending the deeper colour on your lips. You can use a maroon, a burgundy. I wanted to mix these two today to try this new lippy in a nod to my favourite YouTubers, and the look is starting to come together now. So guys, this is the final look I came up with. I paired it with a Chola shirt. I really enjoyed doing this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. And I think this is a beautiful, glamorous look. VEE Marie and Chunky, thank you so much for being part of my YouTube journey. I wish you all the best and all the luck. I've linked their YouTube channel for you guys to check them out. Take care everyone. See you in the next one. Bye.